Good morning. You're watching NewsX with me, Riya Dwivedi. Now let's take a look at some breaking news coming in. On the directions of Chief Justice Gavai, a three-judge bench of Justices Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta and N.V. Anjaria will take up the case of stray dogs and we will relook the judgment that Supreme Court had given earlier this week. The relocation of stray dogs order had been given on Monday, after which on Wednesday the issue was raised before the Chief Justice, and the case will be heard by a larger bench today. So joining me on the telecast is my colleague Arzu Seth. Arzu, take us through the details that are coming in terms of this hearing that is set to take place today.
Well, definitely it's going to be very important. As we can see, the entire social media has been flooded with the several, messages, or we can say views regarding some of the people are supporting the order while the other are opposing the Supreme Court suo motu case, order that has been given. The Supreme Court suo motu case on the stray dog issue, in which a two-judges bench on Monday on 11th August directed that the stray dogs in Delhi NCR be relocated to shelters, and has been now referred to three-judge bench. And today the hearing will take place. The matter will now be heard and by the bench of the Justice Vikram Nath, Sandeep Mehta and N.V. Anjaria. And these three judges will hear the matter today. And earlier in the day, Chief Justice, yesterday, Chief Justice of India said he would examine the ongoing issue relating to the community dog, and after an advocate mentioned the matter, saying different benches of the Supreme Court have issued conflicting directions. So the matter relating to the stray dog was mentioned before the bench headed to the CGI for urgent listening, to which the CGI said that I will look into this matter. So this is going to be very crucial. The hearing will take place today, because there has been a lot of controversy, as we can also see, a lot of views, the mixed reactions that are coming in, where the group of people are supporting the Supreme Court order, saying that the human life matters, and there are a lot of incidents that have increased in the past of the dog bite. But on the other side, it is being said that there are other issues also, but this is not the issue to remove all the dogs from the street. So definitely this is going to be very crucial hearing today itself. Yes.